Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. There was a changing of the guard at the helm of Netball Jamaica following Saturday's annual general meeting at the summit in New Kingston. More in this report.
The baton was passed to usher in a new era for Netball Jamaica. Immediate past President Trisha Robinson, who led the organization for the last 5 years, did not seek re-election. It left the door open for the Director of Marketing and Sponsorship, Karen Rosenbaugh, to walk into her new leadership role. One of the first things that the new president is intent on achieving is empowering the respective parish associations.
I don't believe we can continue to call ourselves a full national body if we're so urban and Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Catherine and Clarendon based. We really need to make sure we're expanding our reach to all the parishes in Jamaica. We would love for each of them to have their own parish organization, and then they tap into the resources of Netball Jamaica from that vantage point.
Rosenbaugh reflected on the tenure of the outgoing administration while looking forward to her stint at the helm.
We had some successes and we did have some failures, as all administrations do. The idea is to have more successes than you have failures. You're going to try some things and they don't work, and some things maybe you don't try enough is what would be the criticism, that I would say. So as long as we keep trying and keep pushing forward, then I don't think our members will hold our feet to the fire, too severely, as long as they see the effort that's being put in and that we're engaging them in the process as we go along.
Robinson, who served as director and vice president before being elected president, expressed confidence in the new administration.
Congratulations to our new president, Karen Baugh, and her team. I think an excellent choice by the members. I do believe that they have what it takes to move us from number 3 to number 1.
She also reflected on her tenure, which began in 2020.
The challenges, I view them as a learning experience. Everything happens for a reason, and what I'm happy about is we took the knocks as a board. Uneasy is the head that wears the crown. There are many sleepless nights in terms of having to make decisions, many late nights. But I am pleased that the group of persons that we have coming in, they're passionate about netball. Sometimes your passion takes over, but I do believe that this bunch of people, they will take netball to the next level.
The new board is comprised of First Vice President Simone Forbes, Second Vice President Dwayne Gutsmore, Treasurer Elaine Walters, board members Tashik Salmon, Derek Brown, Karen Winstanley, Carleen Waugh, Suzette Townsend, and Denise Palmer. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.